Welcome to our channel, where we take you through the amazing world of bathroom renovations. Today, we are going to show you how you can transform your space with style. Let's start with the basics. A bathroom renovation is a great way to breathe new life into your home and increase its value. Whether you're upgrading an outdated space or starting from scratch, a well-planned and executed renovation can make all the difference. First things first, let's talk about the design. Whether you prefer a modern, sleek look or a classic, rustic vibe, our team of experts can help you create the perfect design that suits your taste and lifestyle. From choosing the right color scheme to selecting fixtures and finishes, we've got you covered. Once you have a design in mind, it's time to bring it to life. Our skilled team of contractors will handle all the heavy lifting, from demolishing the old bathroom to installing new fixtures and tiles. We pride ourselves on delivering high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. And speaking of details, let's not forget about those small touches that can make a big impact. From luxurious lighting fixtures to elegant mirrors and accessories, we can help you add that extra touch of style to your revamped bathroom. But a bathroom renovation is not just about aesthetics. It's also about functionality. Our experts will work with you to create a layout that maximizes space and storage, ensuring that your new bathroom is not only beautiful but also practical. So, why wait? Say goodbye to your old, outdated bathroom and say hello to a space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. Contact us today to get started on your bathroom renovation journey. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home renovation ideas. See you next time.